people think about its history and intricacies, even though the key is, well, a key part of daily life. Sharon C brings you on a journey to unlock the secrets of keysmithing in what's believed to be the first such exhibition here.
There are a billion possible permutations, so an untrained eye would be forgiven for failing to tell them apart.
每次嚟到先生啊，我做支鎖匙幾多錢啊？咁啊，我話你一定要俾支鎖匙我睇嘅，因為每支鎖匙嘅價錢唔一樣，因為佢嘅鎖匙嘅紋路佢嘅坑唔同嘅，一啲好平，一啲幾十蚊一支都有，咁所以佢哋唔識，佢哋所以話以為鎖匙係一律嘅，佢哋冇咁嘅知識。
Influenced by his father, Mr. Chow started learning about the trade when he was a teenager. He started his own business 45 years ago at People's Park. Business peaked in the 1980s when many banks were being set up in Singapore and keysmiths were needed for vaults and safe deposit boxes. Mr. Chow then had 6 workers under his charge. Once he carefully handpicked.
最緊要嘅人格嘛，睇佢會唔會好老實。有啲人學咗翻去，佢係做埋嗰啲唔好嘢嘅，所以佢嚟到嗰時問你係做咩啊？佢話我嚟同你做工，你我做工乜嘢都做嘅喎。佢唔係，我淨係想我開鎖嘅啫。咁我聽到呢啲嘢咧，我就有警惕啦，就係諗住呢個嘢梗係唔係個念頭唔係幾正嘅。
But he has since scaled down his business, servicing mostly individuals and several corporate clients. And with the rising popularity of electronic locks, Mr. Chow knows well his is a sunset industry.
可惜係可惜啊，但係冇人接手啊，因為呢門手藝唔係個個有耐性去學㗎，時間長同埋辛苦啦，冇好似坐喺嗰個辦公室入邊咁舒服啦。因為我好勝嘛，因為我好似話呢啲嘢越艱難嘅嘢我又越想做。以前嘅鎖匙幾十年前冇好似而家淨咁多嗰個工廠出咁多鎖匙嘅，係出10幾種款嘅啫。咁樣冇嗰樣個無中生有喎，將同佢又咁磨可以入到一支鎖匙。咁我話哇好煩喎，咁一路落嚟我都冇轉過行啦，因為揾到食。
Keen to share his passion for the trade, Mr. Chow will make frequent appearances at an exhibition dedicated to key making.
Now, even though this exhibition is about keysmithing, most of the items on display are not kept under lock and key, and visitors are free to play around with them, including this 150-year-old lock that needs 3 keys to open.
Some of the artifacts belong to Mr. Chow, while others were sourced from antique shops and even junkyards. The exhibition runs until 5th April.
A series of paintings on